Hari Bol, Dandot Pranam. So I am reciting this Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. I am going to continue today the Adi Leela, fifth chapter, second part. Yesterday I had recited the first part. So before I start, let me pray to Guru Varga and to the Supreme Lord and his associates. ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मिलितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कान्ता राधाकान्ता नमोऽस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी ऋषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 रामो राम रामो हरे हरे। So I had read till text 124 yesterday. Now I am going to read from text 125 to 129. सीत अनंत जार जारे कही एक कला हेन प्रभु नित्यानंद के जाने तार खेला। यही सब प्रमाणे जानी नित्यानंद तत्व सीमा तहाँ के अनंत कही की तार महिमा। अथवा भक्तेर वाक्य मानी सत्य करी सकल संभवे ताते जाते अवतरी। अवतार अवतारी अभेद ये जाने पूर्वे जैसे कृष्ण के केहो काहो करी माने। केहो कहे कृष्ण साक्षात नर नारायण केहो कहे कृष्ण साक्षात वामन। Translation: That person of whom Lord Ananta is a kala or part of a plenary part is Lord Nityananda Prabhu, who therefore can know the pastimes of Lord Nityananda. From these conclusions we can know the limit of the truth of Lord Nityananda. But what glory is there in calling him Ananta? But I accept it as the truth because it has been said by devotees. Since he is the source of all incarnations, everything is possible in him. They know that there is no difference between the incarnation and the source of all incarnations. Previously, Lord Krishna was regarded in the light of different principles by different people. Some said that Krishna was directly Lord Naranarayana and some called him Lord Vamanadeva incarnate. Text 130, 130 to 134. केहो कहे कृष्ण क्षीरोदक शाही अवतार असंभव नहे सत्य वचन सबार। कृष्ण जबे अवतरे सर्वांश आश्रय सर्वांश आसी तबे कृष्ण ते मिलय। जय जय रूपे जाने सेई ताहा कहे सकल संभवे कृष्णे किछु मिथ्या नहे। अतएव श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य गोसाई सर्व अवतार लीला करी सबारे दिखाई। यही रूपे नित्यानंद अनंत प्रकाश यही भावे सेई भावे कहे मुई चैतन्य दास। Translation: Some called Lord Krishna an incarnation of Lord Shirodakashayi. All these names are true, nothing is impossible. When the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna appears, he is the shelter of all plenary parts. Thus, at that time, all his plenary portions join in him. In whatever form one knows the Lord, one speaks of him in that way. In this, there is no falsity, since everything is possible in Krishna. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has exhibited in everyone all the pastimes of all the various incarnations. Thus, Lord Nityananda has unlimited incarnations. In transcendental emotion, he calls himself a servant of Lord Chaitanya. Next text 135 to 141. कबू गुरु कबू सखा कबू भृत्य लीला पूर्वे जेन तीन भावे ब्रजे कैला खेला वृषाहया कृष्ण सने माथा माथी रणा कबू कृष्ण करे तार पाद संवाहन आपना के भृत्य करी कृष्णे प्रभु जाने कृष्णेर कलार कला आपना के माने वृष्यमानौ नरदन्तौ युधाते परस्परम अनुकृत्य ऋतैर् जंतुंस चेरतुः प्रकृतौ यथा क्वचिद् क्रीडा परिश्रांतम गोपत संगोप बर्हनम स्वयं विश्रामयति आर्यम पाद संवाहनादिभिः केयम वा कुत आयता दैवी वा नारी उतासुरी प्रायो मायात्सु में भर्तुर नान्य में अपि विमोहिनी यस्यांग्रि पंकज रजो अखिल लोकपालैर् मौलि उत्तमैर् धृताम उपासित तीर्थ तीर्थम ब्रह्म भवो अहम अपि यस्य कलाह कलायाः श्रीस चंद्रहेमा चिरम अस्य नृपासनम एव. Translation: sometimes he serves Lord Chaitanya as his guru, sometimes as his friend, and sometimes as his servant. Just as Lord Balram played with Lord Krishna in these three different moods in Braja. Playing like a bull, Lord Balram fights with Krishna head to head, and sometimes Lord Krishna massages the feet of Lord Balram. He considers himself a servant and knows Krishna to be his master. Thus, he regards himself as a fragment of his plenary portion. Acting just like ordinary boys, they played like roaring bulls as they fought each other, and they imitated the calls of various animals. Sometimes, when Lord Krishna's elder brother, Lord Balram, felt tired after playing and lay his head on the lap of a cowherd boy, Lord Krishna himself served him by massaging his feet. Who is this mystic power and where has she come from? Is she a goddess or a demoness? She must be the illusory energy of my master, Lord Krishna, for who else can bewilder me? What is the value of a throne to Lord Krishna? The masters of the various planetary systems accept the dust of his lotus feet on their crowned heads. That dust makes the holy places sacred, and even Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, Lakshmi, and I myself, who are all portions of his plenary portion, eternally carry the dust on our heads. Text 142 to 150. एकले ईश्वर कृष्णार सब भृत्य, जारे जैचे नाचाय से तैचे करे नृत्य। ए मत चैतन्य गोसाई एकले ईश्वर आर सब पारिषद, केहवा किंकर। गुरुवर्ग नित्यानंद अद्वैत आचार्य, श्रीवास आदि जार जता लघु सम आर्य। सबे पारिषद सबे लीलार सहाय, सभा लैया निज कार्य साधे गौर राय। अद्वैत आचार्य नित्यानंद दुई अंग, दुई जन लैया प्रभुरा जत किछु रंग। अद्वैत आचार्य गोसाई साक्षात ईश्वर, प्रभु गुरु करी माने तिहो तक किंकर। आचार्य गोसाई र तत्व ना जाय कथन, कृष्ण अवतारी जेहो तारीला भुवन। नित्यानंद स्वरूप पूर्वे हैया लक्ष्मण, लघु भ्राता हैया करे रामेर सेवन। रामेर चरित्र सब दुखेर कारण, स्वतंत्र लीलाए दुख सहे न लक्ष्मण। Translation: Lord Krishna alone is the supreme controller and all others are his servants. They dance as he makes them to do so. Thus Lord Chaitanya is also the only controller. All others are his associates or servants. His elders such as Lord Nityananda, Advaita Acharya and Srivas Thakur, as well as his other devotees, whether his juniors, equals or superiors, are all his associates who help him in his pastimes. Lord Gauranga fulfills his aims with their help. Sri Advaita Acharya and Srila Nityananda Prabhu, who are plenary parts of the Lord, are his principal associates. With these two, the Lord performs his pastimes in various ways. Lord Advaita Acharya is directly the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Although Lord Chaitanya accepts him as his preceptor, Advaita Acharya is a servant of the Lord. I cannot describe the truth of Advaita Acharya. He has delivered the entire world by making Lord Krishna descend. Lord Nityananda Swarupa formerly appeared as Lakshmana and served Lord Ramchandra as his younger brother. The activities of Lord Ram were full of suffering, but Lakshman, of his own accord, tolerated that suffering. Text 151 to 158. निषेध करीते नारे जाते छोट भाई, मौन धरी रहे लक्ष्मण मने दुख पाई। कृष्ण अवतारे ज्येष्ठ हैला सेवार कारण, कृष्ण के कराइला नाना सुख आस्वादन। राम लक्ष्मण कृष्ण रामेर अंश विशेष, अवतार काले दोहे दोहाते प्रवेश। से अंश लैया ज्येष्ठ कनिष्ठ अभिमान, अंशांशी रूपे शास्त्रे करे व्याख्यान। रामादि मूर्तिषु कला नियमेन तिष्ठन्, नानावतारम अकरोत् भुवनेषु किंतु। कृष्णः स्वयं संभवत् परमः पुमान्यो, गोविंदमादि पुरुषम तमहं भजामि। श्री चैतन्य से कृष्ण नित्यानंद राम, नित्यानंद पूर्ण करे चैतन्य रे काम। नित्यानंद महिमा सिंधु अनंत अपार, एक कणा स्पर्शी मात्र से कृपा तहार। आर एक शुन तारा कृपार महिमा, अधम जीवे रे छड़ाइला ऊर्ध्व सीमा। Translation: As a younger brother, he could not stop Lord Ram from his resolution. And so he remained silent, although unhappy in his mind. When Lord Krishna appeared, he, Balram, became his elder brother to serve him to his heart's content and make him enjoy all sorts of happiness. Sri Ram and Sri Lakshman, who are plenary portions of Lord Krishna and Lord Balram respectively, entered into them at the time of Krishna's and Balram's appearance. Krishna and Balram present themselves as younger brother and elder brother, but in the scriptures they are described as the original personality of Godhead and his expansion. I worship Govinda, the primeval Lord, who by his various plenary portions appears in the world in different forms and incarnations, such as Lord Ram, but who personally appears in his supreme original form as Lord Krishna. Lord Chaitanya is the same Lord Krishna, and Lord Nityanand is Lord Balram. Lord Nityanand fulfills all of Lord Chaitanya's desires. The ocean of Lord Nityanand's glories is infinite and unfathomable. Only by his mercy can I touch even a drop of it. Please listen to another glory of his mercy. He made a fallen living being climb to the highest limit. Text 159 to 168. वेद गुह्य कथाई अयोग्य कहिते तथापि कहिए तार कृपा प्रकाशिते उल्लास उपरि लिखो तोमार प्रसाद नित्यानंद प्रभु मोर क्षमा अपराध अवधूत गोसाई रेक भृत्य प्रेम धाम मीन केतन रामदास है तार नाम आमार आलये अहोरात्र संकीर्तन ताहाते आइलाते हो पाया निमंत्रण महाप्रेममय तिहो वसीला अंगने सकल वैष्णव तार वंदिला चरणे नमस्कार करिते कार उपरते चढ़े प्रेमे कारे वंशी मारे कहा के चापड़े जे नयन देखीते अश्रु है मने जार से नेत्रे अविच्छिन्न वहे अश्रुधार कभू कौन अंगे देखी पुलक कदम एक अंगे झाड्य तार आर अंगे कंप नित्यानंद बलि जबे करे न हुंकार ताहा देखी लोकेर है महाचमत्कार गुणार्णव मिश्र नाम एक विप्र आर्य श्री मूर्ति निकटे तेहो करे सेवा कार्य ट्रांसलेशन टू डिस्क्लोज इट इज नॉट प्रॉपर for it should be kept as confidential as the Vedas, yet I speak of it to make his mercy known to all. O Lord Nityananda, I write of your mercy out of great exaltation. Please forgive me for my offenses. Lord Nityananda Prabhu had a servant named Sri Meenaketana Ramadas, who was a reservoir of love. At my house there was Sankirtan day and night, and therefore he visited there having been invited. Absorbed in emotional love, he sat in my courtyard, and all the Vaishnavas bowed down at his feet. In a joyful mood of love of God, he sometimes climbed upon the shoulder of someone, offering obeisances, and sometimes he struck others with his flute or mildly slapped them. When someone saw the eyes of Meenaketana Ramdas, tears would automatically flow from his own eyes, for a constant shower of tears flowed from the eyes of Meenaketana Ramadas. Sometimes there were eruptions of ecstasy like kadamba flowers on some parts of his body, and sometimes one limb would be stunned while another would be trembling. Whenever he shouted aloud the name Nityanand, people around him were filled with great wonder and astonishment. One respectable Brahman named Sri Gunarnava Mishra was serving the deity. Text 169 to 177. अंगने आसिया तेहो ना कैल संभाष ताहा देखी क्रुद्ध हैया बले रामदास एत द्वितीय सुत रोमहर्षण बलदेव देखी जे ना कैला प्रत्युद्गम एत बलि नाचे गाय करे संतोष कृष्ण कार्य करे विप्र ना करिला रोष उत्सवांते गेला तिहो करिया प्रसाद मोर भ्राता सने तार किच्छु हैला वाद। श्री चैतन्य प्रभु ते तार सुदृढ़ विश्वास नित्यानंद प्रति तार विश्वास आभास इहा जानी रामदासेर दुख हिला मने तबे त भ्रातारे आमी करिनु वर्षने दुई भाई एक तनु समान प्रकाश नित्यानंद ना माने तोमार हबे सर्वनाश एकेते विश्वास अन्य ना करो सम्मान अर्ध कुकुटी न्याय तोमार प्रमाण किम वा दुहा ना मानिया हो त पाषंड एके मानी आरे ना मानी ए मत भांड। Translation: When Meenaketana was seated in the yard, this Brahman did not offer him respect. Seeing this, Sri Ramdas became angry and spoke, "Here I find the second Romaharshana Sutta who did not stand to show honor when he saw Lord Balram." After saying this, he danced and sang to his heart's content, but the Brahman did not become angry, for he was then serving Lord Krishna. At the end of the festival, Meenaketana Ramdas went away, offering his blessings to everyone. At that time, he had some controversy with my brother. My brother had firm faith in Lord Chaitanya, but only a dim glimmer of faith in Lord Nityananda. Knowing this, Sri Ramdas felt unhappy in his mind. I then rebuked my brother. These two brothers, I told him, are like one body, they are identical manifestations. If you do not believe in Lord Nityananda, you will fall down. If you have faith in one but disrespect the other, your logic is like the logic of accepting half a hen. It would be better to be an atheist by slighting both brothers than a hypocrite by believing in one and slighting the other. Text 178 to 186. क्रुद्ध हैया वंशी भांगी चले रामदास तत्काले आमार भ्रातारा हैला सर्वनाश एत कहिला तारा सेवक प्रभाव आर एक कही तारा दयार स्वभाव। भाई के बरसनो मोई लैया ए गुण सही रात्रे प्रभु मोरे दिला दर्शन नैहाटी निकटे जामातपुरा नामे ग्राम ताहा स्वप्ने देखा दिला नित्यानंद राम। दंडवत हैया आमी पड़िनु पाए ते निज पाद पद्म प्रभु दिला मोर माथे। उठ उठ बलि मोरे बले बार बार उठी तार रूप देखी हैनु चमत्कार। श्याम चिक्कन कांति प्रकांड शरीर साक्षात कंदर्प जैसे महामल्लवीर। सुवलित हस्त पाद कमल नयन पट्ट वस्त्र शिरे पट्ट वस्त्र परिधान। सुवर्ण कुंडल करने स्वर्णांगद वाला पाए ते नुपुर बाजे कंठे पुष्पमाला। Translation: Thus, Sri Ramdas broke his flute in anger and went away, and at that time my brother fell down. I have thus described the power of the servants of Lord Nityanand. Now I shall describe another characteristics of his mercy. That night Lord Nityanand appeared to me in a dream because of my good quality in chastising my brother. In the village of Jamatpura, which is near Nayahati, Lord Nityanand appeared to me in a dream. I fell at his feet, offering my obeisances, and he then placed his own lotus feet upon my head. Arise, get up, he told me again and again. Upon rising, I saw, greatly astonished to see his beauty. He had a glossy, blackish complexion, and his tall, strong, heroic stature made him seem like Cupid himself. He had beautifully formed hands, arms and legs, and eyes like lotus flowers. He wore a silk cloth with a silk turban on his head. He wore golden earrings on his ears and golden armlets and bangles. He wore tinkling anklets on his feet and a garland of flowers around his neck. Text 187 to 196. Chandana lepita anga tilaka sutham matta gaja jini madamanthara payan koti chandra jini mukha ujjwala varan दाडिंब बीज सम दंत तांबुल चरवण प्रेमे मत्त अंग दाहिने वामे डोले कृष्ण कृष्ण बलिया गंभीर बल बले रांगा यष्टि हस्ते डोले जेन मत्त सिंह चारी पाशे वेदी आछे चरणे ते भृंग पारिषद गणे देखी सब गोप वेशे कृष्ण कृष्ण कहे सबे स प्रेम आवेशे सिंगा वंशी बाजाए केहो नाचे गाय सेवक योगाय तांबुल चामर ढुलाए नित्यानंद स्वरूपेर देखिया वैभव किबा रूप गुण लीला अलौकिक सब आनंदे विभल आमी किछु नाही जानी तबे हासी प्रभु मोरे कहिले न वाणी आरे आरे कृष्णदास ना करो भय वृंदावने जाओ तहाँ सर्व लभ्य है एत बलि प्रेरिला मोरे हाथ सानी दिया अंतर्धान कैला प्रभु निज गण लैया. Translation. His body was anointed with sandalwood pulp and he was nicely decorated with tilak. His movements surpassed those of a maddened elephant. His face was more beautiful than millions upon millions of moons, and his teeth were like pomegranate seeds because of his chewing battle. His body moved to and fro, right and left, for he was absorbed in ecstasy. He chanted, "Krishna, Krishna," in a deep voice. His red stick moving in his hand, he seemed like a maddened lion. All around the four sides of his feet were bumblebees. His devotees, dressed like cowherd boys, surrounded his feet like so many bees and also chanted Krishna, Krishna, absorbed in ecstatic love. Some of them played horns and flutes and others danced and sang. Some of them offered betel nuts and others waved charmer fans around him. Thus I saw such opulence in Lord Nityananda Swarup. His wonderful form, qualities and pastimes are all transcendental. I was overwhelmed with transcendental ecstasy, not knowing anything else. Then Lord Nityananda smiled and spoke to me as follows. "Oh, my dear Krishnadas, do not be afraid. Go to Vrindavan, for there you will attain all things." After saying this, he directed me towards Vrindavan by waving his hand. Then he disappeared with his devotees. Text 197 to 203. मूर्छित हैया मुई पड़िनु भूमि ते स्वप्न भंग हिला देखी हैया छे प्रभाते की देखिनु की सुनिनु करिए विचार प्रभु आज्ञा हैला वृंदावन जय बार सेई क्षणे वृंदावने कैनु करिनु गमन प्रभुर कृपाते सुखे आयनो वृंदावन जय जय नित्यानंद नित्यानंद राम जहार कृपाते पायनो वृंदावन धाम जय जय नित्यानंद जय कृपामय जहां इते पायनो रूप सनातन आश्रय जहां इते पायनो रघुनाथ महाशय जहां इते पायनो श्री स्वरूप आश्रय सनातन कृपाय पायनो भक्ति सिद्धांत श्री रूप कृपाय पायनो भक्ति रस प्रांत. Translation: I fainted and fell to the ground, my dream broke, and when I regained consciousness, I saw that morning had come. I thought about what I had seen and heard and concluded that the Lord had ordered me to proceed to Vrindavan at once. That very second I started for Vrindavan, and by His mercy I reached there in great happiness. All glory to Lord Nityananda Balram, by whose mercy I have attained shelter in the transcendental abode of Vrindavan. All glory to the merciful Lord Nityanand, by whose mercy I have attained shelter at the lotus feet of Sri Rupa and Sri Sanatan. By His mercy I have attained the shelter of the great personality Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, and by His mercy I have found the refuge of Sri Swarupa Damodar. By the mercy of Sanatana Goswami, I have learned the final conclusions of devotional service, and by the grace of Sri Rupa Goswami, I have tasted the highest nectar of devotional service. Text 204 to 212. जय जय नित्यानंद चरणारविंद जहां हैते पाइनो श्री राधा गोविंद जगाई मदाय हैते मोई से पापिष्ट पूरी शेर कीट हैते मोई से लगिष्ट मोर नाम सुने जय तार पुण्य क्षय मोर नाम लय जय तार पाप है ये मन निर्घृण मोरे एक नित्यानंद विना विनु जगत भीतरे प्रेमे मत नित्यानंद कृपावतार उत्तम अधम किछु ना करे विचार जे आगे पड़े तारे करे निस्तार अतैव निस्तारिला मोहेन दुराचार मोह पापिष्टे आनिलेन श्री वृंदावन मोहिन अधमे दिला श्री रूप चरण श्री मदन गोपाल श्री गोविंद दर्शन कही बार योग्य नहीं सब कथन वृंदावन पुरंदर श्री मदन गोपाल रास मिलासी साक्षात ब्रजेंद्र कुमार. Translation: All glory to the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda, by whose mercy I have attained Sri Radha Govinda. I am more sinful than Jagai and Madhai, and even lower than the worms in the stool. Anyone who hears my name loses the results of his pious activities. Anyone who utters my name becomes sinful. Who in this world but Nityanand could show his mercy to such an abominable person as me? Because he is intoxicated by ecstatic love and is an incarnation of mercy, he does not distinguish between the good and the bad. He delivers all those who fall down before him, therefore he has delivered such a sinful and fallen person as me. Although I am sinful and I am the most fallen, He has conferred upon me the lotus feet of Sri Rupa Goswami. I am not fit to speak all these confidential words about my visiting Lord Madan Gopal and Lord Govinda. Lord Madan Gopal, the chief deity of Vrindavan, is the enjoyer of the Rasa dance and is directly the son of King of Braja. Text 213 to 221. Sri Radha Lalita Sange Ras Vilas Manmatha Manmatha Rupe Jahar Prakash. Tasham Avirabhut Chaurihi Smayamana Mukhambujaha Pitambaradharah Shragvi Sakshan Manmatha Manmatha Swamadhurye Lokera Mana Kare Akarshan दुई पाशे राधा ललिता करे न सेवन. नित्यानंद दया मोरे तारे देखाइला श्री राधा मदन मोहने प्रभु करी दिला. मोह अधमे दिला श्री गोविंद दर्शन कही बार कथा नहे अकथ्य कथन. वृंदावने योगपीठे कल्पतरुवने रत्न मंडप ताहे रत्न सेनासने. श्री गोविंद बसिया छेन ब्रजेंद्र नंदन माधुर्य प्रकाशी करेन जगत मोहन. वाम पार्श्वे श्री राधिका सखी गण संगे रासादिक लीला प्रभु करे कतरंगे. जार ध्यान निजलोके करे पद्मासन अष्टादश अक्षरा मंत्रे करे उपासन. He enjoys the Rasa dance with Srimati Radharani, Sri Lalita and others. He manifests himself as the Cupid of Cupids. Wearing yellow garments and decorated with a flower garland, Lord Krishna, appearing among the gopis with his smiling lotus face, looked directly like the charmer of the heart of Cupid. With Radha and Lalita serving him on his two sides, he attracts the hearts of all by his own sweetness. The mercy of Lord Nityananda showed me Sri Madan Mohan and gave me Sri Madan Mohan as my Lord and Master. He granted to one as low as me the sight of Lord Govinda. Words cannot describe this, nor is it fit to be disclosed. On an altar made of gems in the principal temple of Vrindavan, amidst a forest of desire trees, Lord Govinda, the son of the king of Braja, sits upon a throne of gems and manifests his full glory and sweetness, thus enchanting the entire world. By his left side is Srimati Radharani and her personal friends. With them, Lord Govinda enjoys the Rasa Leela and many other pastimes. Lord Brahma, sitting on his lotus seat in his own abode, always meditates on him and worships him with the mantra consisting of 18 syllables. Text 222 to 226. चौदह भुवने जार सबे करे ध्यान वैकुंठादि पूरे जार लीला गुणगान. जार माधुरी ते करे लक्ष्मी आकर्षण रूप गोसाई करिया छिन से रूप वर्णन. स्मेराम भंगी त्रय परिचिताम साची विस्तीर्ण दृष्टिम वंशी निष्ठाधर किसलयाम उज्ज्वलाम चंद्रकेन. गोविंदाख्याम हरितनुम इतः केशी तीर्थोपकंठे मां प्रेक्षितास तव यदि सखे बंधु संगे अस्ति रंगः. साक्षात ब्रजेंद्र सुत इथे नाही आय आन, जेबा अग्ने करे तारे प्रतिमा हेन ज्ञान। से अपराधे तार नाहिक निस्तार, घोर नरकेते पड़े की बलिबार। Translation: Everyone in the 14 worlds meditates upon him, and all the denizens of Vaikuntha sing of his qualities and pastimes. The goddess of fortune is attracted by his sweetness, which Srila Rupa Goswami has described in this way. My dear friend, if you are indeed attached to your worldly friends, do not look at the smiling face of Lord Govinda as he stands on the bank of the Yamuna at Keshigat. Casting sidelong glances, he places his flute to his lips, which seem like newly blossomed twigs. His transcendental body, bending in three places, appears very bright in the moonlight. Without a doubt, he is directly the son of the king of Praja. Only a fool considers him a statue. For that offense, he cannot be liberated. Rather, he will fall into a terrible hellish condition. What more should I say? Text 227 to 232. हे न जे गोविंद प्रभु पाइनु जहाँ हिते, ताहार चरण कृपा के पारे वर्णिते। वृंदावने वैसे जत वैष्णव मंडल, कृष्ण नाम परायण परम मंगल। जार प्राण धन नित्यानंद श्री चैतन्य, राधा कृष्ण भक्ति विने नाही जाने अन्य। से वैष्णवेर पाद रेणु तार पाद छाया, अधमेरे दिला प्रभु नित्यानंद दया। ताहा सर्व लभ्य हैया प्रभुर वचन, सही सूत्र ऐ तार कैला विवरण। से सब पाइनु आमी वृंदावने आया, सही सब लभ्य ऐ प्रभुर कृपाया। Translation: Therefore, who can describe the mercy of the lotus feet of him, Lord Nityananda, by whom I have attained the shelter of this Lord Govinda? All the groups of Vaishnavas who live in Vrindavan are absorbed in chanting the all-auspicious name of Krishna. The dust, Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda are the life and soul of those Vaishnavas who do not know anything but devotional service to Sri Sri Radha Krishna. The dust and shade of the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas have been granted to this fallen soul by the mercy of Lord Nityananda. Lord Nityananda said, in Vrindavan all things are possible. Here I have explained his brief statement in detail. I have attained all this by coming to Vrindavan, and this was made possible by the mercy of Lord Nityanand. Text 233 to 235. आपनारा कथा लिखी निर्लज्ज हैया, नित्यानंद गुणे लिखाए उन्मत्त करिया। नित्यानंद प्रभुर गुण महिमा अपार, सहस्त्र वदने शेष नाही पाए जहार। श्री रूप रघुनाथ पदे जा राश, चैतन्य चरितमत कहे कृष्णदास। Translation: I have described my own story without reservations. The attributes of Lord Nityananda, making me like a madman, force me to write these things. The glories of Lord Nityananda's transcendental attributes are unfathomable. Even Lord Shesh, Adishesh, with his thousands of mouths, cannot find their limit. Praying at the lotus feet of Sri Rup and Sri Raghunath, always desiring their mercy, I, Krishnadas, narrate Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita following in their footsteps. So here ends the 5th chapter of Adi Leela. Tomorrow I'll try to talk the 6th chapter of Adi Leela. Hari Bol, Dandavat Pranam.